Okay, to change the messages above the order online page right here. So here's the order online page, and then these are custom text that appears above it, and these could be changed, so you can actually change that. So here's what you do. What you do is you go in the back end and then press pages. Once you press pages, you find the order online page because that's the front page. Press edit, and then you'll be given an option of this back end, or you could do build on the front end. I would recommend you doing it from here. It's pretty simple. So here's the title, which is this part here. This is the title. So the one we want to change is right here, the text. So we're going to press that button, and here's the text. See how it says all orders, all this information, and then it says food images. So let me see what that comes from. Yeah, food images. Okay, and then let's keep going down. Let's see if there's a button here. Okay, so that's the text part, but the one you want to change is probably this one here. Okay, so that one you go close this one, and then button right here. See the button, button. So breakfast menu. Let me change the button name so you know what it's called next time. PDF button. So I'll call it PDF button. That way, when you log in, you'll recognize what it's for. If it just says button, it's still fine, but I'm just gonna, that way you can recognize it. So if you don't want it, just press delete right here. Okay, and it'll remove it. Just press that button. So again, it's right here. So here's the one on the right. See, there's the PDF menu right there. If you want to put a different PDF menu, just upload it right here. Okay, and that's how you do that. All right, hopefully that helped you out. If you have questions, just let me know. But once you do that, just press save and exit. If you want to change the link, if you want to completely remove it, then just press this button right here. Remove both of them, okay? Or you can press this and remove everything from here. So this is the one that removes all of them. So it removes this whole box. All right, thank you so much.